BONDERITE Eco ST4 pH setting input 1. How to calibrate the pH in the input 1. Immerse the pH electrode in solution 7. Wait a few seconds to stabilize the measurement. Press menu OK until calibration means 1 pH. Press menu OK. The pH 7 corresponds to offset. Press down arrow. The value 7.1 appears. Press menu OK to confirm. Immerse the pH electrode in buffer 4. Wait a few seconds to stabilize the measurement. Press menu OK until calibration means 1 pH. Buffer 4 corresponds to gain. Press the up arrow. The value 4.1 appears. Press menu OK to confirm. If during one of these phases the pH electrode is not calibratable, the instrument displays an error message on the display.